And the Abia Governor Alex Oti has disclosed that the state was ready to partner with the nation of Israel to develop its economic and technological potentials with specific reference to human capital agriculture, digital economy, and micro, small, and medium enterprise MSME. Oti made this known while receiving the Israeli ambassador to Nigeria, His Excellency Michael Freeman, at the government house Umuahia, Abia's capital, on Thursday.
I'm very happy, and I can tell you without any fear of contradiction that the state government will partner with you and work closely with you. In another year, things will look a lot different, particularly with our people, with innovation, with digital technology, and with our micro, small, and medium-scale enterprises. Our people don't want to be multinationals. They just want to do their thing in very creative and innovative ways. And I'm very sure that the next trip that you're going to make in less than 1 year, you will see something different.
Earlier, Freeman noted that his visit to the southeast state is a tribute to the good work the governor has been doing since he assumed office, particularly in the area of security.
Education about the digital economy, because these days that is education. You don't necessarily need to have had formal schooling to go into digital education. The achievements of Abba having full-time electricity, something that is not a given again, and I think all of that potential allows us to partner with you on digital economy, on technology, on science, to really think together about how we partner.
Hello. Hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.